Hi, guys. My greetings to you all in the name of Jesus Christ. Today, my brothers and sisters, I draw your attention toward Hindu organizations. You might have aware of Hindu organizations. I mean, Bajrang Dal, Vishwa Hindu Parishad, and also RSS. These Hindu organizations working for BJP political party, and this BJP political party using these organizations for their self-centered and selfish political agenda. These organizations, what they are doing, my brothers and sisters, they are doing all around us. These organizations targeting minorities, Christians and Muslims. This Hindu organization version is that these Christians are converting Hindu people into their Christian religion. But my brothers and sisters, is it true? Nobody can forcefully convert any person, because everybody has their own mindset and will and wish. If they want to get any religion, up to them. If anybody wants to leave their religion, up to them. So we can't say anybody converting forcefully. My brothers and sisters, these Hindu organization people persecuting these Christians and Muslims and taking law and order into their hands, and also they are damaging and destroying these minorities' properties. Even though all these things happening, and these police institution doing nothing, they are not arresting them, and they are not throwing into jail. Instead of doing this, they are Christian people, minority people, throwing them into jail. So that is bad thing happening in this India. My brothers and sisters, actually these Hindu organization extremist people, they are not walking according to their own religion, because even Hinduism against violence. Hindu scriptures tells that ahimsa paramo dharma. It means non-violence is heavenly religion. And also one more principle is that paropakaraya punyaya parapidanam papaha. If anybody does favor other, that is godly favor, it will be rewarded. But when we persecute them, if anybody harass them, that is not godly religion. That is punishable. That is papaha. It means sinful. But when we think about these extremist groups, they are always making problems, and they have no peace. My brothers and sisters, if we think about these groups, they selfish, and they are doing only for money. They have no any connection to their religion, even their gods. My brothers and sisters, this should be stopped because we are minorities and we are not violating law and order, and we are walking according the law and order, and we are respecting our constitution, and we are showing patriotism. Even though we are showing patriotism, but they are portraying us traitors, as a traitors. So this is very unfortunate. My brothers and sisters, we should fight against them, and we should elect the secular parties so that our India could develop, and also should be established peace and harmony. My brothers and sisters, these Hindu extremist people, they want to divide our India, and they are doing dividing and rule, because majority people Hindus, so they are doing some kinds of activities that is garbage, and they are telling that we are doing for our sake of our religion, so they should support them. But my brothers and sisters, they are doing actually against them, against our India, against our constitution and law and order. When they persecute, if they destroy or burn other properties, our economy will collapse, our development will be stopped. This makes us everybody suffer. So we should stop this, and we should support the secular parties. Even our India believes unity and diversity. We following many years as a secular people. So why should we support a self-centered and religious parties? We should not support them. So I beseech you, my brothers and sisters, I urge you, don't support them, and elect and select a good patriotism parties. Thank you very much. God bless you, and share my video, and also like my video. Thank you very much.